I'm on the beach. Haeundae Beach. Wow, beautiful.
They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money. The pressure be calling. Left on my blessings. I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection. I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems.
Good morning, Nomadic Vegan. Welcome back to the channel. We are in Busan, which is the second largest city in South Korea. Busan is a dynamic city with a flourishing art scene and amazing beaches. So I'm in my apartment, which is the Airbnb. Got this place booked for 4 days, but I'm thinking 4 days is definitely not going to be long enough in Busan. I've had a look of where I want to go over the next few days, and I definitely need more time. So I'm decided to stay an extra week. So I'm going to stay for 11 days in total. I am, however, going to move to this apartment is amazing. It's got everything you need: kitchen, nice bathroom, Wi-Fi is good, amazing view. Check that view. You can see the beach, you can see the sea. Yeah, pretty stunning. I was going to extend my stay here. However, a quick look on Airbnb and I found another place which I think from the pictures is going to be in this same building. Because the view from the window looks pretty much exactly the same as this. I'm guessing it's very close to this apartment. And it's actually less than half price than I paid for here. The only issue moving is I'm going to have to check out at 11 on Saturday morning, and I can't move into the new place till 3, so I'm going to have 4 hours to kill with all my bags. But I'll just go and find myself a cafe or somewhere to plonk down and maybe do some editing or something. So not a massive problem, a few hours to kill, but you know, I can stay another week. And I think 7 days is going to cost me £150 for 7 days in an apartment in Haeundae, which is like the prime spot to stay in Busan. Pretty decent. So today we're going to go and do some exploring of Haeundae. Haeundae sounds like a car. Haeundae. That is a car. That is a Korean car make. Haeundae. This is Haeundae. I'm probably saying it completely wrong, but you know, forgive me. So today I'm going to go and do some exploring of the local area. We're going to check out the beach, we're going to check out the markets, and literally just explore by foot, do some urban hiking, urban exploring. I love that word, urban exploring. So we'll get some good coffee, we'll get some good food, we'll go and check out the local area, and I will see you soon. Peace. Sun is shining and it's -5. Not exactly sunbathing weather today, but it's absolutely beautiful. Let's see. Honestly, after this pandemic, and we can get back to normal travelling, if you've never considered coming to South Korea, then you know I would definitely have a rethink about that, because honestly this place is amazing. Just about everything about it so far I really like. You know, all the people are really friendly. You know, everywhere's like super clean. You know, I've not seen one idiot whilst I've been here. Not one idiot. It's like super safe. You know, you could sit in a cafe, leave your MacBook on a table, go to the toilet, and not even worry about somebody snatching it and running off with it. Honestly, there's just none of that here.